Hey everybody, welcome into today's video. In today's video, what we're going to go over is the pre-market analysis. So we're going to go over a couple of pairs, how we anticipate to see them play out the coming week. So if that sounds interesting, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and share with a few friends that you believe the video will be of help to them. Cool. So we're going to start off with DXY. Some of you know it as the US dollar currency index. This is from the weekly perspective. So prices just bounced off this strong support structure and they are pushing higher. As you can see, the strength is very strong. The bulls are very, very strong. Anticipating to see them push until somewhere all the way up here. This being the first target, and then perhaps a little retracement before we see a continuation. But so far, we still have a long way until to get there. So, this coming week, obviously, we should be anticipating to see more bullish pressure pump in. That's our target. Prices are currently at this market structure. It's also a resistance. So given the current momentum, I think prices have a big possibility of breaking above here before they keep on pushing higher. However, that's just an anticipation. So there was also another trend line here. Okay, I didn't notice that. I just noticed it right now. So here we have two confluences where they are saying prices will go lower, but the momentum was very strong. So obviously we have to do what rational traders do. We have to wait and see how prices will react from here on Monday. So if prices break above here, we're going to wait for the retest before we take a trade all the way up there. On Monday, if prices close with the doji indicating that this bullish momentum has come to a rest, then we'll be looking for a little bit of retracement, perhaps until somewhere here, before we see a continuation all the way up there, right? So with DXY, those are the anticipations that I have for the coming week. Obviously, it's a long-term bullish buy. I'm anticipating to see this happen, buys. But where will we be buying from? Is it after the break of the structure or is it after the retracement? No one knows, but we'll find out once the market opens. So that's concerning DXY. We have JPYX, obviously, which is inversely correlated to the US dollar. We can see prices just broke below the structure here. Prices gave it a little bit of retest, and now we are seeing that bearish momentum kick in, right? So the first structure that I'll be watching out closely, where I'm anticipating prices will reach there first, is right here, without a doubt, because you can see on the left-hand side, we have a very clean slate, no resistance whatsoever. And then after that, I'm anticipating to see prices, after they break that, push all the way until down here on this major support structure. So that's my view on JPYX. So since I'm bearish with JPYX, most of the JPY pairs such as Eurojpy, Eurojpy, pairs like these, let me remove these. So pairs like these, obviously we should be anticipating them to buy. As you can see here, the structure was just broken and retested, and this is a solid bullish confirmation that prices are in a bullish momentum and will keep on pushing higher. Obviously, these will be the first targets. We got Gbpjpy, same thing, break, retest, solid bullish confirmation. So we have this clean slate to push all the way until prices reach up here, right? Cadjpy, same thing, break, retest. So all of these, you see, like they're inversely correlated to the JPYX. The JPYX is going to dump, and these ones are going to rise, right? So you need to also know the pair correlations of these things so that you can actually understand if this happens on this, I should be anticipating or I should be expecting this to happen on that, right? It actually makes your work way easier as a trader. So with DXY, which is the US dollar, we are anticipating to see prices keep on pushing higher. So pairs like USD JPY, which are positively correlated to the US dollar, we should be anticipating to see prices push higher. This should be the first targets and all the way up there. USD CHF, obviously, buys. but you can see how this pair is always ranging, so I don't really love taking trades in it. I don't really love taking trades in this. We got Eurusd inversely correlated. Obviously, we should be anticipating to see prices keep on dumping. They should be keep on dumping. I should be anticipating prices to fall until they reach somewhere down here as the first targets, as this is the first structure, strong structure that's along the way. So then after here, we should be looking for the momentum, how the momentum will be reading. That will anticipate how prices will be going. So we still have about 180 pips move, so it's legit. We got GU and gold. Obviously same things apply. Here we had some kind of a higher high, prices some kind of a double top, prices just closed below the neckline, as you can see here. If this was our neckline, prices just closed below that, and we should be anticipating prices to keep on pushing lower all the way until somewhere down there, right? Yeah. We got gold, same thing applies. Obviously we're still seeing bearish moves from the US dollar, so we should be looking for prices to touch down until somewhere here. That's the last turning point, so we should be anticipating to see prices fall perhaps until there, before you actually see some kind of a reversal. So that's my breakdown for the coming week, how I'm anticipating prices to play out. If this video has been of help to you, please do like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss out on content whenever we put up in the future. With that being said, guys, appreciate your time. Take it easy out there. Peace.